and gracefully step down from the government.
The NPP candidate and Cabinet Minister Ampareen Lyngdoh said that she accepts this defeat and the landslide victory of the Voice of People party with a humble heart. While speaking to reporters after the announcement of the results, Lyngdoh said that she would like to wish the VPP that it will be able to deliver its promises which it had made. She said that she believes that she was not meant to go to Delhi after she had put in a lot of effort. The NPP also stressed that the party needs to find out where it has gone wrong and why the people are angry with the party.
And I wish the VPP the very best. I wish the VPP will be able to deliver its promise, because it's very difficult in these kinds of situations to have these kinds of wins. But it is more difficult for us to accept this defeat. And I appeal to all in government to accept this defeat. Take it as a challenge. Let us see what we need to do right if everything we've done is wrong. An indication of this kind shows that whatever we have done seems to have gone wrong. We have to soul search. We have to figure this out. And we cannot be hostile and angry. I wish that no member of the government in the MDA will take this the wrong way.